Hey, it's Colin with Maximum Elevation Off-Road, and we are in the Bodyguard bumpers booth, and I'm here with another one of our SEMA builds that I'll tell you a little something about. Truck right here. The main goal for this is to display the new FT series from Bodyguard bumpers. So we started with a 2019 Ram 3500 Mega Cab Dually Laramie Longhorn. That's a lot. The whole concept behind this truck is we need to display this bumper on a good looking truck. Full grill guard on this one. One of the cool things about this is the camera capability that I don't see from a lot of other bumper manufacturers. As you can see through the center here, we have a Royalty Core grill. Royalty Core definitely took care of us on this one. Color matched it, put a light bar in it from Vision X and really hooked it up. As we go down lower here, receiver tube on this bumper, really cool option also. Fully capable with all the parking sensors, factory fog lights, and of course we had to color match this one to the trim of the truck to fit the build profile. You know, it's a big truck. The way we achieve that is by a Kelderman full air ride suspension system. It's a 5 to 6 inch kit, but it's adjustable from 1 to 10. As we walk around here, tires. We have the Nitto Ridge Grappler, 38 by 1350 24s. Wrapped around American Force is the Super Dually series, 24 by 12s in the front and 24 by 9s in the rear. We did a full custom powder coat on them from Zach Pinnock, Britton Creek Customs. Next thing I'd like to point out are just some of the details that make a difference. You know, the details in the wheels, but also some of the other details in the badging, from badge caps, you know, just vehicle badges with our logo on it. And one of my favorites, this was a last minute thing, badge flaps. It's we got cool custom badges on the mud flaps that you know, allow us to display our logo, our brand, and what we work hard for. And it's little details like these that I think make a difference and make a truck really custom. You know, the color scheme of this truck, pearl white, brown, looks awesome. We decided to keep the duals in the rear. As we make our way to the back here, this is going to be the Bodyguard FT Series rear bumper and diamond plate. Once again, parking sensors, fully capable, reverse lights. You get a step pocket here. This truck shows really well, but you know, all in all, it's a fairly simple build. Bumpers, wheels, tires, suspension, but it hangs with the best of them, looks good, and has gotten a ton of attention.